Picture this. You're at the beach looking and feeling great. Your skin is glowing, your clothes fit perfectly, and you're confident as hell. Sounds good, right? In this video, we'll show you how to make that a reality with our summer glow up guide. Let's be real. Summer is when you want to look your best. It's not just about attracting attention. It's about feeling good in your own skin. A proper summer glow up can boost your confidence and make you feel like $1,000,000. And the best part? It's not as hard as you might think. In this video, we're going to give you a complete blueprint for your summer transformation. We'll cover everything from easy grooming tips to skincare routines that actually work. Plus, we'll show you how to dress to impress without breaking a sweat. So if you're ready to look hot this summer without all the fuss, keep watching. We've got you covered. Now that you're ready to transform your look, let's start with the basics. Effortless grooming. You might think looking good in summer means spending hours in front of the mirror, but that's not true at all. The key is to focus on a few essential habits that will keep you looking fresh without wasting your time. First up, let's talk about your face. In summer, you're going to sweat more, which means your skin needs extra attention. But don't worry, it's not complicated. You need to cleanse your face regularly to remove sweat, oil, and dirt. Use a gentle cleanser that won't strip your skin's natural moisture. This simple step will keep your face looking clean and clear. Next, let's tackle exfoliation. You should exfoliate once or twice a week to get rid of dead skin cells and unclog your pores. But here's a pro tip. If you get sunburned, skip the exfoliation until your skin heals. You don't want to irritate it further. Now you might be thinking, what about moisturizer? Won't that make my face oily? Actually, using a lightweight oil-free moisturizer can help combat excess oil and prevent breakouts. It's all about choosing the right product for summer. Let's move on to hair. You don't need a complicated hairstyle to look good in summer. In fact, simpler is often better. Try using sea salt spray to add volume and texture. It'll make your hair look thicker and more flowy without much effort. One of the biggest challenges in summer is staying fresh throughout the day. Here's a simple trick. Carry some facial wipes with you. They're great for a quick refresh when you're on the go. And if you've been outdoors, make sure to cleanse your face thoroughly when you get home to remove all that sweat and dirt. Now let's talk about products. You don't need to break the bank to look good. Some budget-friendly essentials for summer include a high SPF facial sunscreen, an oil-free lightweight moisturizer, and a gentle exfoliating cleanser. These will cover all your bases without costing a fortune. Here's another tip for staying fresh. Use blotting papers. They're great for absorbing excess sweat without messing up your face or overwashing it. Keep a pack in your pocket for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Remember, the most important thing in summer is hydration. Drink plenty of water and use hydrating skincare products. This will keep your skin looking healthy and rejuvenated. And don't forget sunscreen. It's your best defense against harmful UV rays. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF 30+ and reapply every 2 hours when you're out in the sun. A good masseter muscle will improve your facial attractiveness by a lot. You can train them by using chewing gums or jaw exercisers, but as I've said in my previous video,
lastly, you can use a jawline exercise, but not the ones which you put in front of your teeth, which are not used for chewing traditionally, which can lead to serious jaw problems.
Now there's this new jaw exerciser that actually works. It's Alfie Chew's Premium Jaw Exerciser. The design will fit way better than the ball-shaped ones. Due to the better design, Alfie Chew's exerciser has a very less risk of jaw-related issues. Just place it in your mouth and chew how you naturally chew, or you can check out the tutorials they have on alphachew.com. You will start seeing results in just 5 weeks of use. Apart from me, various athletes and influencers recommend it. For a discount, click the link in the description or use code ASCEND. Lastly, consider using a toner. It helps keep your pores closed and prevents sweat and oil from clogging them. Look for one with aloe vera or cucumber. They're lighter on the skin and perfect for summer. Now that we've covered the basics of grooming, let's dive into the heart of your summer glow up, your skincare routine. You might think, skincare is just for women, but trust me, having great skin is a game changer for any man. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling confident and taking care of yourself. So, how do you build an efficient summer skincare routine? It's simpler than you might think. You need 4 main steps: cleansing, moisturizing, exfoliating, and sun protection. Let's break these down. First up, cleansing. Use a gentle cleanser to wash away dirt, oil, and sweat. This is especially important in summer when you're likely to sweat more. Don't go overboard. Washing your face twice a day is usually enough. Next, moisturizing. You might think your skin doesn't need moisture in summer, but you'd be wrong. Choose a lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without feeling heavy. Exfoliation is key to getting rid of dead skin cells and unclogging your pores. But here's the catch. Don't overdo it. Once or twice a week is plenty, especially in summer when your skin might be more sensitive. Now let's talk about the most important part of your summer skincare routine, sun protection. As Dr. Elizabeth Mullins says, the most important thing is that you need to protect your skin from the sun. Your skin will age faster and increase your risk of skin cancer, so use a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're sweating or swimming. But skincare isn't just about what you put on your skin, it's also about what you put in your body. Hydration is crucial for healthy, glowing skin. Drink at least 2-3 liters of water daily. You can also eat hydrating foods like watermelon and cucumbers to boost your skin's moisture from the inside out. What about those annoying summer skin issues like excess sweat and oiliness? The key is to keep your face clean. Wash your face after you work out or spend time outdoors. Keep some facial wipes handy for quick refreshes throughout the day. And if your skin tends to get oily, use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to keep it balanced. Remember, taking care of your skin isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. A solid skincare routine can boost your confidence and help you put your best face forward this summer. So give these tips a try and watch your skin transform. You'll be surprised at how much of a difference it can make. Now that we've sorted out your skincare, let's talk about what you're going to wear. You might think summer style is just about throwing on a t-shirt and shorts, but there's more to it than that. The right clothes can make you look and feel great, even in the heat. So how do you dress to impress without sweating through your shirt? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about fabrics. When it's hot out, you need clothes that let your skin breathe. Cotton, linen, and lightweight blends are your best friends. These materials allow air to circulate and help wick away moisture, keeping you cool and comfortable. Avoid synthetic fabrics that trap heat and make you sweat more. Color matters too. Light colors like white, beige, and pastels reflect sunlight and help keep you cooler compared to darker shades. But don't worry, this doesn't mean your wardrobe has to be boring. You can still add pops of color with accessories or patterns. Now let's get into the must-have items for your summer wardrobe. First, you need a good pair of well-fitted shorts. They should hit just above the knee and be comfortable enough for all-day wear. Next, stock up on lightweight t-shirts. They're versatile and can be dressed up or down easily. Don't forget about swimwear. Invest in a quality pair of swim trunks. They're not just for the beach. They can work for poolside lounging or casual summer parties too. When it comes to summer style, balance is key. You want to look good, but you also need to be comfortable in the heat. Look for clothes with a relaxed fit. They shouldn't be baggy, but they should allow for some airflow. Avoid heavy layers and stick to single-layer outfits when possible. Now let's talk accessories. The right ones can take your summer look from basic to model tier. Sunglasses are a must. They protect your eyes from UV rays and make you look cool at the same time. Choose a style that suits your face shape and you'll instantly look more put together. A stylish hat can also elevate your look. A wide-brimmed hat or a fedora not only adds style, but also gives you extra sun protection. Just make sure it fits well and suits your overall style. Don't be afraid of jewelry. A simple bracelet or necklace can add a touch of sophistication without making you feel overdressed. Keep it minimal. You don't want anything too heavy or flashy in the summer heat. Lastly, consider adding a leather jacket to your summer wardrobe. I know what you're thinking, leather in summer, but hear me out. A lightweight leather jacket in black or tan can be a versatile piece for cooler summer nights. Choose one with a minimal design without too many details. It's a timeless staple that can add some edge to your summer look. Now that we've covered all the essentials, let's put it all together into an action plan. You might be thinking, this is a lot to take in. Don't worry, it's all about staying consistent. Remember, a glow up isn't just about looks. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. First, let's recap what we've learned. We talked about easy grooming habits, a simple skincare routine, and how to dress for the heat. The key is to keep things simple and consistent. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start with 1 or 2 new habits and build from there. I've covered everything in this video, but you can still check out the other videos on our channel to get a better understanding. Patience is important here. You won't see results immediately, but if you stick with it, you'll notice a big difference. Why not start today? Even small changes can make a big impact. Picture yourself in a few weeks, looking great, feeling confident, and ready to make the most of your summer. That's the power of a good glow up.